masakit kasi.
Okay, so hello guys, welcome to our podcast. Which today we have our guest, and this is a very important guest, by the way. Her name is Celine. Hello, Celine. Can you
Hi.
introduce yourself to everyone?
Hello, I'm Celine from Bohol.
So you're from Bohol
Yes.
originally. Our podcast is located at Ballesteros, Cagayan. So we went all the way here so that we could have this podcast with the most important person in Doria family. So I would like to ask you, Celine, how is your well-being right now? How are you?
It's not okay, konti, pero I'm trying to move on.
Oh, you're moving on
Yeah.
from.
From from my ex, you
Oh,
know.
can you? Oh, yeah. So you're moving on from your ex.
Oh,
What is your ex's name?
ex name. Oh, let's call her Bong.
Her.
Him.
So,
Bong.
apologies to everyone. There are grammatical errors that is happening. But let's
Kasi,
understand her because masakit ngayon, di ba? Masakit
yes.
pa yung puso mo ngayon.
Kasi, pass na siya, kaya mas gusto ko na lang siyang kalimutan.
Okay. So, bakit napili mo ang Ballesteros bilang moving on na lugar? Gano'n ba kaganda ang Ballesteros?
Sabi nila, hindi pa naman ako nakapasyal, pero,
First time mo to?
yeah, first time. Pero, marami akong narinig, marami daw nakaka-move on dito.
Ngayon ko lang narinig yun, ha?
Baka kasi makita ko na yung dawan ko.
Okay.
Right dawan.
Aside from moving on, you're looking for someone as well.
Of course.
Gano'n na ba kayo katagal nag-break?
3 years ago.
Dapat 1 week pala. Ulitin
Ah,
ka.
1 month.
1 week. Ulitin ka. Gano'n katagal na ba kayong nag-break?
Actually, masakit kasi.
Pero ang mga points is dito.
Gusto ko makakita ng bago para may nagpupulpil ulit. Yun.
Nagpo-fulfill ng space.
Yeah.
Banda dito.
Hindi. From dito, all over.
All
Ganun.
over. Pero ang mga points is dito. Nag-i-chismisan mo.
Siyempre, kailangan kasi may nagsusustain din.
Ganun.
Dito.
May
Ganun.
nagpo-fulfill, nag-sustain.
Oo, ganun.
May nagko-complete.
Oo. Actually, gusto ko na siyang kalimutan kasi, naku, oh my God, hindi naman siya magaling.
Kaya ka pala naka-shades ngayon.
Oo.
Magang-maga.
Oo. Ayan.
Okay. Before we continue, I think we have... Did you order your drink?
Yeah.
What's
Bakit
your
na po
drink?
ang lemon?
Let's get our drink. So, dahil heartbroken ka ngayon, we have the lemon.
Salbahe siya.
Nagagalit ako sa'yo. So, I ordered Spanish.
Yes.
You ordered
Lemon. Actually, kararating ko lang. Tapos may nakasalubong ko sa daan. Sabi ko,
Pagupit.
oo, nasa parlor. Sabi ko, parang sinaindawan ko.
Kita ko puti-puti na buhok nun.
Baka palolo na siya. Pero yung pes niya, hindi pa naman palolo. Ganun.
I know him. Yes,
Talaga?
we know each other. His name is Kenneth.
Oh, really?
Do you like his name?
I like mga Kate na, letter. I like his name.
You like his
Ano ba trabaho niya?
He is an architect.
Oh,
Right there, outside. That's his car.
oh may,
Do you
pasado
have his...
siya. Oh, may,
Do you have
pasado
his
siya.
susi?
No.
Dapat ko natin susi. Tapos mag-tour tayo sa kotse. So, yun yung kotse niya.
Nakasakay ka na?
Ha?
Nakasakay ka na?
Yes. Because we know each other.
Oh, friend mo?
Yes. And kakabreak lang din niya sa jowa niya.
Pakilala mo naman siya sa
He
akin.
is looking for another person as well.
Oh.
Gusto niya yung medyo may highlights yung buhok,
Mm.
gano'n, tapos medyo maputi.
Eh, paano kung wala akong highlights?
Magpa-highlights ka na doon sa salon. Hindi pala highlights yan?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ano, di ba highlights yung may ganun-ganon?
Ayoko pala, may strict.
Ano to, real talk?
Yes, really. Tob. Gusto niya din yung funny. Funny ka ba?
Sobra.
Tanggalin mo na yung shades mo.
O baka makita nila eh.
Patingin. Ay, nahiya ka lang. Ayun, so,
Ayan. Makikilala nila ako.
that's okay. So, kasi gusto niya makilala yung totoong ikaw.
Mm.
So, after this video, pwede ka namin ipag-meet sa kanya. Kayo ang mag-uusap dito after.
Talaga ba?
Yeah, so right now, this episode is all about her moving on and finding a new person. And since nalaman na namin ang dahilan bakit dito ka pumunta, we'll cut the video and we'll say goodbye to them. And then we'll see them on the next week's video
Oh.
once you meet the right person.
Yes. Hi, thanks.